since May of 2024. I used to play other sports like badminton and well, I forgot the rest. Why I like pickleball? Well, pickleball has been a blessing. It's an answered prayer, and it has helped me with my healing. It has gave me a lot of strength, a lot of healing mentally and physically. And what can I say to beginners? Well, just come, just be present and enjoy the game. Walang, there's nothing to be shy about losing. It's a good way to win friends and enjoy the community. So come, let's play.